Have you ever worked for a leader who demanded loyalty? Who expected people to stay late, agree with every decision, and never question authority? Many leaders believe loyalty comes from power. It doesn't. The more loyalty is forced, the less genuine it becomes. People may comply, they may stay silent, they may even say yes, but internally they are disengaging. Fear can create obedience. It cannot create commitment. And when a better opportunity comes along, the loyalty disappears because it was never loyalty in the first place. It was pressure. Real loyalty is earned. People become loyal to leaders who respect them, develop them, and genuinely care about their success. They stay because they trust the leader, not because they fear the consequences of leaving. Remember, you can force compliance. You can never force loyalty. Loyalty is not demanded. It is earned. One action, one decisions, and one relationship at a time. Leadership is not about controlling people. It's about creating a reason for them to stay.